Morning to everyone. This is our second max session. In first max session we saw what is set and what is Cartesian product. In this session we are going to see what is relation. What is a relation? So a relation are a relation are from A to B. A to B is a subset of A cross B. A cross B satisfying some specified condition. Satisfying some specified conditions. So in this, R is a subset of A cross B. So, X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So, X comma Y belongs to R. So, we can write it as X relation Y. So, this is the relation. So, first we will take here one example. A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to A comma B. So, here some relation conditions also they given are such that all the ordered pair beginning with the odd numbers. Find the relations domain codomain. So, first we need to find relation. Before finding relation, here they given A cross B is a subset of R, right? So, first we need to find A cross B. So, here we can use order pair also by using arrow diagram. Because arrow diagram is the visual representation of a relation. Arrow diagram is the visual representation of the relation. So, first what is that element present in A? 1, 2. What is element present in B? A, B. So, here 1 and then 1 comma A and then 1 comma B and then 2 comma A and then 2 comma B. Now, how we can write this? A cross B equal to 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B. So, now in this we are going to see what is relation. Already I said some condition they given here. What condition they given here? Are such that all the ordered pair beginning with the odd number. So, odd number means we should take again, see here, this is A element, this is B element, 1, 2, A, B. Here it starts with odd element, odd number. So, here what is odd number? Here 1 or 2, 1 is the odd number. So, 1 mapped with A and 1 is mapped with B. That is the relation. So, 1 comma A, 1 comma B. So, this is the relation. So, 1 comma A, 1 comma B are present in A cross B. So, this is the subset of A cross B. R is a subset of A cross B. That's it. Now, domain. Domain means domain of relation. Domain of relation R. Right? So, this is the first element present in the relation set. First element in R. Which is first element here? 1 is the first element, right? That is the domain. Okay. And next we can write like this also. Domain is a subset of A. Because 1 is present in which set? Already I explained 1. Right? It is present in A set. So, this is the answer. So, it is subset of A. Next one is range. What is range? Already I said second element present in relation set. So, what is second element here? Already you know A is there, B is there. So that is the range. So it is otherwise called as range is a subset of B because A comma B is present in B set. So it is a subset of, range is a subset of B. Next one is codomain. What is codomain means? All the elements present in B set. So what are the elements present in B? That is the codomain. Okay. Now null set means, null relation means what? A relation which has, a relation contain no elements. A relation contain no elements. A relation contain no elements is called null set. So now you gathered all the points. Next we will move to exercise 1.2 in next video. Thank you.